Hi, in this video I will show you how to edit Avocado filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. Let's get started. Go to Light. Adjust the exposure to plus 0.36. Contrast to minus 32. Highlights to minus 52. Shadows to plus 30. Whites to minus 38. Blacks to plus 22. Go to curve. Follow these steps. Done. Go to color. Temperature to plus 30. Tint to minus 35. Vibrance to minus 8. Saturation to minus 24. Go to color mix. First go to color red. Hue to minus 10. Saturation to minus 8. Luminance to minus 15. Go to orange. Hue to minus 4. Saturation to plus 13. Luminance to minus 10. Go to yellow. Hue to plus 15. Saturation to minus 23. Luminance to minus 14. Go to green. Hue to plus 77. Saturation to minus 51. Luminance to minus 10. Go to cyan. Saturation to minus 5. Go to blue. Hue to minus 11. Luminance to minus 13. Done. Next go to effects. Go to split tone. Bring hue to 50 and saturation to 15 for shadows. Done. Go to Detail. Sharpening to 35. Noise reduction to 15. And done. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy settings. Paste settings. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.